U.S. Consulate General in Almaty, and I work with our Public Affairs Office with the media team. So our team does all the relationship building and the communications with media here in Kazakhstan. And then we also are responsible for our social media pages. So our Instagram account at USCG Almaty and our Facebook account, also USCG Almaty.
Енді өзіңіз туралы айтып беріңізші, қай жақтансыз, отбасыңыз туралы?
So I am from North Carolina, which is in the southern part of the United States. So we say I'm from the South. But I've also lived in California, I've lived in Hawaii, and I've lived in Minnesota in the United States. And now I call Washington, D.C. my home. And North Carolina, where I grew up, is nothing like Kazakhstan, except we have mountains and we also have the beach. Like you have a beach here, and in Almaty, where I live now, we have the mountains.
Осы тренингтің мақсаты қандай, не үшін өткізіп жатырсыз?
So we came up with this idea for the mobile journalism training in a collaboration from a conversation through working with the Institute for Media Standards and other professional media persons here in Kazakhstan who have talked about the need to, or the desire to have more understanding of using mobile technology to tell a better, more beautiful story from all across Kazakhstan. So you're already an example that when more people have access to mobile technology to tell their stories, we get to see and hear stories that otherwise don't get told. You're a 10-year-old that gets to tell your point of view and your story. And without mobile technology, we wouldn't hear that right now. Yeah. And also for the more professional journalists that have been working for a very long time in big media outlets, providing more mobile journalism training allows them to tell their story faster, more accurately, and with better quality. And as you already know, when you have a good visual story to tell, you get a lot more people watching. And that means more followers for you. For the big media outlets, it means more viewers for their program, either on TV, online, or through their media print. So, a little bit like you. I was pretty energetic. I had some pretty strong ideas, and I wanted to have my voice heard. I didn't have social media to do that, but I did it through dance. I did it through getting involved in local community activities and participating in public events and public debates and being part of groups where I could share my voice and share my ideas. And I really knew I wanted to travel the world and that I wanted to meet people in lots of different places and hear their stories and to share stories with them. And so it's kind of interesting how similar probably we are. If I was 10 years old and we were meeting still, I think we'd probably be best friends.
Бүгін тренинг өте керемет өтті. Маған үш нәрсесі ұнады. Барлық жақсы жаңа мағлұматтар алдым. Екіншісі, мен деген басқа адамдармен таныстым. Үшіншісі, қазақша аудармамен де үйретеді екен. Сіздерге осындай рахмет, осындай күшті тренинг ұйымдастырғандарыңызға. Біздің қазақстандық жастарға қандай тілегіңіз бар?
To all the youth that are watching in Kazakhstan, I wish you health, happiness, and lots of prosperity. And I know that Kazakhstan is in very good hands when you have young people like Janzulu being able to lead the way. So congratulations to you and to all the youth of Kazakhstan.